Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of checking the 10th class result for the Gujranwala Board 2025 on the official website bisegrw.edu.pk. Follow these simple steps to get your results quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Step 2. Visit the official website type in the official website URL and bisegrw.edu.pk in the address bar and press Enter. This will direct you to the official site of the Gujranwala Board. Step 3. Navigate to the Results section. Once you're on the home page, look for the Results tab in the main menu. Click on it to access the results page. Step 4. Select the relevant exam. On the results page, you will find various options for different classes and exams. Select 10th Class Result 2025 from the list to proceed. Step 5. Enter your information. Now, you will be prompted to enter your details, such as your roll number or name. Carefully input the required information in the specified fields. Step 6. Submit your information. After entering your information, click on the Submit button. This will process your request and retrieve your examination results. Step 7. View your result. Once your details are submitted, your 10th class result will be displayed on the screen. Review your results carefully to ensure all information is correct. Step 8. Print or save your result. If you wish to keep a record of your results, you can either print the page or take a screenshot. This will be useful for future reference or for sharing with others. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to check the 10th class result for the Gujranwala Board 2025 at bisegrw.edu.pk. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.